Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable or disable the Bluetooth connection. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the settings icon right here. If you tap the settings icon, let's choose here now connections on the left side of the screen. From the connections, all you need to do is select here the settings one more time, here at the top, and now you've got access to Bluetooth settings. So here you can enable or disable Bluetooth just by using this switcher. If you untap it again, you will see this orange light. It means that the Bluetooth is enabled. So now the car is actively looking for a connection to a smartphone. So I think it's really useful to have this Bluetooth enabled. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.